Hi Mom, so I've been wanting to film this video for a while, and I finally am. So I'm cooking dinner for my family today, and I'm filming it, so welcome to Cooking with Cece. And Braiden's here too, so random stuff's gonna start happening. Of course. Alright, I'm gonna just start cooking. So, I don't know if I want to start making, I think I'll start with the mac and cheese. So, let's get our, so I think.
Oh yeah, don't you like bake it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how long I'm supposed to bake it for, so I would just put it on like 400 and just keep checking it, because I don't know. Okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and boil some noodles. What's rigatoni? Wait, is that like, no. Do we have regular, there we go. Elbow macaroni. So, we're gonna use, wow.
Elbows. Look at the weenuses.
Oh my god.
The weenuses.
So then next, we gotta get our bacon. Ew, I don't know why that was wet. That's gross. Okay. Our cheese.
That's not gross.
Why
it's just thawed out.
Ugh, I know, but it's weird. Okay.
It just wasn't in the freezer.
Where's, we got our cream. Did anyone else find that weird, like how I said it? I literally don't know why it sounded weird to me. It's bothering me though, so. Alright, let's make some mac and cheese. Yeah, oh wait, I have to go grab, let's go grab some breadcrumbs to the pantry.
Just wait, I dropped something.
Of course you did. Okay. Oh, also I organized this pantry last week. Looks pretty good.
Boom.
Does Japanese style mean anything? Is that? Okay, we're just gonna go with it. I don't know if that's gonna affect it. Hopefully not. So I'm gonna start boiling the noodles. We'll use this for the sauce.
Oh.
Come on, you need to be a more experienced cook like me. I almost like hit myself in the head with that. It could be like.
It got nothing on her.
Huh? Gordon Ramsay, Guy Fieri.
Bro, her shirt says a bad word.
I made
like
sure when I bought it, I made sure I was like swinging my arms down, and my mom's like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "I'm making sure that there's not a way where it'll look like it just says."
Why does the water look so cloudy?
Because this is tap water. That's why I don't drink tap water.
Bro, whoa. Why?
This is why I don't drink tap water.
Bro, like we don't have a water machine like yours. Bro, they have a
Your water randomly tastes
water
like
machine.
taco though.
And then like my water is like clear, but it like tastes weird and it smells like bleach.
Yeah, it's weird. Why
Dude, but then
so we're gonna get the water boiling, and then I'm gonna heat up this saucepan.
Or is it just
fancy
because
words.
you use like here? You should turn like.
Oh my god! I didn't realize that was like a thing.
You
wow.
There's a light on the stove.
No, I didn't. Okay. Oh, should I
That's
put
nice.
this? I'll wait a second on that. Okay. We're gonna. I don't need these. I made cookies with my mom earlier. It went. It was interesting. So we're gonna make our cheese sauce. So we put in some cream. Again, really? That might have been a bit much.
Half and half. Use creamer, bro, not milk.
Yeah. You have to. You realize you can literally. No, I'm not. Braiden, I'm gonna film a video one of these days, and I just want you to completely take over my channel and do all the editing. And
okay, guys, so this is my channel now.
No, different video, Braiden, different video.
So today we're gonna be learning TikTok dances with TikTok star Addison Ray. No, I'm joking. Yeah, get some nice stirs.
Remember the vibe where it's like.
Ready? ASMR.
Ooh, also, I'm gonna get out my peppers. Dude, what are you doing? Oh my god.
Look at this sizzle. You guys hear that? That's the water boiling. Oh, your water doesn't look that bad anymore.
It's being boiled. We're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of butter and hope that's enough.
That's nice.
Yep. Love the like splash. It's really cute. Welcome to Yeah, we're ASMR channel now. I literally can't whisper. Talking quietly stresses me out.
You gotta do like an editing cut.
Hey guys, it's welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little ASMR. You can't even hear that.
We're making mac and cheese. Oh yeah.
Don't make that. Are you getting tingles? Ew.
I can see your arm shaking. You're getting them nice tingles.
My mom's like, what is wrong with our
How does this
children?
work, bro?
Don't question my cooking skills. You know, I'm a decent cook, actually.
Did your family like this meal? You got some cheese sauce on the outside. It's gonna burn.
Yeah. You know what?
Just a bad cook, guys. Giving cheese sauce everywhere.
Don't tell my mom. I'm just kidding. My mom, I'm not ashamed to say, my mom watches all of my videos. So I say hi, Mom, at the beginning of that. Braiden, are you recording yourself again?
No, I'm recording you. I swear to God.
Okay.
Ging, ging.
Okay, that's looking pretty good.
That's cheesy, bro.
Ready? It's like not fully melted, so it kind of looks chunky.
I bet I make better mac and cheese than you.
I bet you're wrong, and we can literally box.
So much chili powder. That's gonna be spicy as heck.
Spicy mac and cheese is good. I don't.
Cece, you put like, if you want spicy mac and cheese, put like buffalo sauce in it.
No, I hate buffalo.
Dude, buffalo sauce is so good with mac and cheese. If you put like little tiny chunks.
I don't even think this is hot
chicken in
chili
it.
powder. Yeah, it's not.
Chili powder's always kind of.
No, it's not. I just realized the water's been boiling for a hot minute now, so we're gonna go ahead and shut this burner off. 7 minutes.
She got her weenuses. And she's putting
In the water.
the weenuses go in the water. It's actually kind of satisfying.
I know. Dude, is that like a good amount?
You might need the whole box if it's your whole thing. Why does it look like soap bubbles in there?
Well, I had to clean the pots. I had to clean the noodles somehow.
Let me try. I'm a chef, Cece.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna add more cheese. I think that'll help. It's gonna be so hot and you're gonna burn your tongue. Are you recording your reflection in the microwave? Is it good? It's like, it's good. It's just like grainy.
Not like that, though.
Yeah, like a brother.
Mm-hmm. Kitchen disaster!
No! Oh my, you're gonna get that on your fries.
No, act scared. Go like that.
Why are you always, like in every thumbnail, you're trying to kill me? Yeah, this is also in the microwave.
There we go.
Okay, we got it, guys. Oh my god, this happened while we were cooking. Okay, you can like take it out now. He's Ava is
You
on.
should add that to the video.
I know. Dude, why is that? That looks sick.
Ready? Let me do some mixing.
Oh god. Don't ruin my mac and cheese. I will literally shoot you in the face.
Here's my cooking segment of the day.
I just ripped this whole bag of peppers.
Okay, guys.
I like the red and green ones typically, but we're just gonna...
We have the cheese sauce.
Does this?
You feel me? Guys, I have my Texas Roadhouse shirt on.
Dude.
I hurt my job. I got a job there.
No, he didn't.
I'm joking.
Dude, literally, I'm surprised nobody's, like, tried to kill you yet. Because in the one video, you had your Opus name tag.
You didn't have one.
No, I didn't.
Because you didn't make it. I'm joking. I love you. I'm joking. I'm sorry. You're going to make it next year.
Dude, Opus isn't in high school. You're
yes,
dumb.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
grade.
not.
It runs through 9th grade, dumb nut.
Oh, we can, are you going, yeah, if you make Opus and I make Opus, then we can do Opus together. It'll be lit.
This is what Cece's doing. Can I eat one?
Sure. No, I thought you meant like an actual whole pepper, but okay. So, I'm gonna get, is this, ew! Okay, we're just gonna use this pan. I don't need this big of a pan. Hold on. We're gonna grab another one.
You call it a colander, bro?
What do you call
Dude,
it?
Cece's smoking in the house.
I did it the other day. Hold on. Yes!
Wait, record me doing it.
Or maybe I just did it.
I saw it. I don't care.
Okay. Dude, remember with the... I wanted to try a lemonade thing, but then you were like, oh, here. And I was like, I'm not going to do it after him because germs. This is what it looks like. Good. Okay. Okay. What do you, on 1 to 10, 10 being like, Gordon Ramsay, I'm coming for your job. 1 being like, literally shoot me. What is?
A 7. 7's my favorite number. It's around there, like a 6 or 7.
Tony.
Okay, I spilled my steak sauce on the table, so.
I didn't say to eat it with steak sauce. There's already a topping on it. Rude. Okay, I give up charging my phone.
Dang, did you get enough?
Hi, he ate like half the pan.
You must think it's gonna be really good. You must trust it.
Watch it be really bad.
That's good. Good job.
Hey?
That's good.
Gordon Ramsay quality.
Yep. Gordon Ramsay quality.
Alright, go.
Why are you eating so weird? She's like.
Well, I'm trying to keep the pepper on there. Gordon who?
That's what I'm saying.
He has a TikTok account, you know.
I don't care.
He does.
He did the, okay, you know the audio where it's like,
It's super good on that.
Smells good.
Braiden made it not grainy because I couldn't figure that out.
Why are you two eating like that?
Is it good? She doesn't like mac and cheese, so
That's good.
her opinion doesn't matter. Alright, now I'm gonna try it. But
It's
I'm not
actually
gonna-
pretty good.